Girl, if I'm gonna go on a red carpet in one day and can't order a wig right away because even Amazon Prime ain't got it like that. And this, I have this in my arsenal, in my bag, in my carry-on. Girl. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If you didn't know, if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. If you are a returning watcher, thank you guys so much for coming back. So today, you already know, baby. We are going to get into this 1 month review of this LuvMe hair water wave, so I can let you guys know what actually went down. So if you haven't seen my first video, make sure you check that out. The link is right here, right now, right above me. So click that and be sure to check in the description below and it will link you right back to this video. So if you want to see how I reapplied this wig, make sure you keep watching and then I'll give you guys the details at the end. Hey guys, before we even got into this reapplication process, you guys already knew that I needed my daily dose of Sonic, sweetie. I was sipping on that blue raspberry vanilla. Yeah, I know. It's good though, trust me. So reapplying this wig was super easy due to the texture of the lace that is provided on the wig. I simply went in and obviously cleaned off the lace with some rubbing alcohol to get all the glue off before I reapplied it. And I put the wig back on the same as I would with any wig with my Super Bond Ghost Glue, and it laid amazingly flat. I can say that because this lace does frill easily, you really want to be careful and make sure you have all those pieces down before you tie it down, and try not to put as much glue because you can always go back in and fix it. So I continue with my regular slaying and laying of this wig, and it wasn't until when I was recording this video that I noticed that I had some major shedding around the part area, and I just went in and took an eyeshadow color and filled that in, and I'll give you guys some more details about that later in this video. You guys are gonna see me filling this part in, and you'll see me laying my edges and the rest of this wig. So I'll let you guys keep watching and I'll come back to you guys with the specs. This wig, this lace is their Undetectable lace on their website. Absolutely love this lace. It's amazing, and you can tell that it's real simply because of the way it kind of frills at the ends. Regular lace doesn't do that when you cut it, but this lace kind of does, and that gives you the greatest blendy experience, I guess. That's how it really blends in with your skin, because it can frill and just give you the most jagged edge. I have no problems with the lace. I know sometimes a lot of people have lace that's like way too soft and just rips, and so you get like a bunch of holes. Personally, I've taken care of this wig, so I didn't experience any holes or any unnecessary ripping or tearing in the wig yet, so that's a plus for me. The next thing I'm going to talk about is hair and tangling. So It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I know I scared y'all with the side there. I know I had you. But actually, it's not that bad. I did use products in it. I would definitely recommend you guys to stay away from as many products as you can. Definitely do not recommend washing this wig. And you guys are probably like, girl, you don't wash your wig? Like, that is nasty, girl. No, sis, listen to me. Shampoo will dry out your wigs faster. I do recommend that you co-wash your wigs if you do decide to wash it, or if you do see that there's buildup, and maybe you choose a conditioner with no sulfates along with something that's like super conditioning. It's gonna give it what it needs, but will also like help cleanse. So they have a lot of products out there that are just co-washers in general. If not, just use regular conditioner. Make sure you run it until it runs clean. Another thing I do suggest is after a month of wearing this, I did boil it, and I just boiled it with hot water and conditioner. Boiled it for 20 minutes, and then overnight I actually let this air dry, and I got the waves right back amazingly. Like, styling this wig is I did take a couple of pictures with this wig. I actually did a couple of videos, my Valentine's Day get ready with me video, and the hair holds a curl great. It's super voluminous, so that was amazing. And I just loved looking at myself in that video. I was like, dang, girl, your hair is popping. I gotta put that wig back on my head. I tell y'all, I have so many wigs just floating around. I lost one last night. Can't even find that joint. Anyways, the next thing about this wig that we are going to talk about is the shedding. Also not that bad. I know I had y'all again. Okay, maybe it is kind of bad. I don't know. At least when I was wearing this wig for the first month, it wasn't bad at all. I mean, it is kind of wavy, curly hair. So I do recommend using a detangling brush. Do not use a regular brush because that is going to be harsher on the curls, and it's going to pull the curls apart, but it's also going to pull your hair out. In the video, I did show you guys that I kind of like concealed this area. I feel like personally it was the buildup of products that caused it. So this happened actually before I boiled it, and I had to detangle it out, and I tried to detangle it as gently as I could with some conditioner, and it pretty much worked. And also I know I can part anywhere else, but that was the only area that it happened, and I'm kind of not surprised because the last time I did wear this wig I had a side part, so there was a lot of manipulating over here. Use as little products as you can. As I'm telling you, this hair is beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's retained its length, the ends are amazing still, and it still just makes me look like and feel like a bad it just makes me feel like I'll take your man, and I will. Saying that this is my first updated wig review for you guys, that as I am a wig purchaser, saying that none of these videos have been sponsored because I buy all these wigs with my own money. Because I do, I'm giving you guys the most honest review that I can. And to be honest with y'all, I give this wig right here from LuvMe Virgin Hair honestly, I give it a 10 out of 10 because I would buy this wig again. This is my second wig that I have bought from the company. It is a pretty little penny, but it's a penny well spent. That is basically it for this wig review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a blessed and awesome day. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions or want to reach out to me, make sure you check the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I hope you're having a blessed day. Bye.